And there are a lot of technologies that are moving forward right now, especially in the sortation
Right.
world, as they come. Technologies that have matured really, but they haven't come up to scale yet. And there are market forces at play there. And some of the actions being taken by this administration will probably will drive the recycling industry because, as you know, the recycling industry follows the traded price of delivered
Right.
aluminum in the United States. And so those dollars may be there in a way that we haven't seen in the past. And so, yes, I think that we can move quickly. I think we have to move quickly. But I would agree with you, Julio. There are some still unknowns in that space still.
Right. What do you think is easier, seeing everything that we are seeing right now? It's easier to try to have more material into those furnaces that are already in place, because at the end, building a secondary aluminum facility is going to take 2 years at least, and a primary 8, 10, probably. So which direction we should take? I think we need to work on both directions, right? More metal into the furnaces and creating more facilities, more jobs. We will talk about jobs because it's not easy here in the US, but also, what do you think is going to be the first step that we need to take in order to go in the direction that we want to go? More metal, and where that metal are coming from, or that's a really
Mhm.
good question, because right now with all the tariff, Canada is, I don't know. So what do you think about it? Which direction we should take? And talking about the tariff already and the policies, what is your position and what is the challenges that we will face?
Well, there's several lines of reasoning to unpack there, Julio. I would start by saying it is absolutely true because we've had these conversations that this administration is very interested in reopening smelters
Right.
in the United States. And look, we're excited about that. We want to have that conversation with this administration, and we think it's a very worthy conversation to have. And the industry's role, our association's role especially, is to give this administration a really clear eyed view of what it's going to take and how long it's going to take to open a
Exactly.
smelter. And so it does no one any good to underestimate the challenge in front of us in the smelting world.
Hmm.
The United States of today is not in the same place that it has been in the past when we opened smelters. We do not have vast amounts of stranded electricity co-located with hydroelectric power in locations around our country. It's just not the case. And so we don't have an overabundance at the moment of electricity. Now, I believe that Americans can do anything we put our minds to do. And so we will be happy to talk to this administration, and we have been happy to talk to this administration about the specific electricity needs and the line of sight for 20 years into the future for those electricity commitments that it will take to bring a smelter online in the United States. And it's a great
Right.
conversation because, yes, America can do that. I
Definitely.
look forward to seeing it happen, but it's something that we have to bring to this administration